Hello, welcome to Pecan Corner. Merry Christmas. I just took a little bit of footage of our carolers last night. Our Baptist church has caroled in this town for a long time. Last few years, somebody knocked on our door, and after dark, and when we opened it up, there were the carolers on a big trailer out front. And so I brought Paul to the door, and they sang for us. I failed to get their singing on camera, but I got just a couple of minutes of the trailer out there, and so I thought I would put it up. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas time, and let's look forward to a really fabulous 2022, no matter what. God bless you all. Merry Christmas, everybody! Thank you!
That's so sweet.
That's our carolers. They came by and caroled to us tonight. Is that awesome? Merry Christmas! Thank you guys so much! Have a wonderful day!
Nobody does that anymore. I love it.
It's so good.
That's sweet.
Yeah, it is. Of the many things that we have happen in this town, that's one of them. It's a long-standing tradition. I didn't know if they still did it or not. The Baptist church used to do it. And they're getting ready to, they'll head on to somebody. There they go, heading off to somebody else.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Bye-bye, guys! God bless you all! Thank you!
That's so nice.
There they go. And that's Christmas in our little town. How wonderful. Can't take for that. God bless them.